So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Abdul Rahman Khan. So today we are going to install this 360 bird view cameras for this beautiful beast Audi. So let me just show you what all we've got in the box. So this is a 360 box, 360 bird view box. So let me just unbox this for you guys. So as you can see, there are four cameras which will be placed in the rear mirror, front, right, left, and those are all the wiring kit which we are going to install in the same thing. So these are all the plug and play devices which we are going to install in the stock music system. So after installing this system we can easily use CarPlay in the stock system. So let me just show you the interior part of this. So let me just insert the key. So once we are done with the installation, then we can easily see the right round view of the car. So if we on the indicator, we can easily see the right left view. If we are going on a drive mode, we can see the front view. So let's begin with the installation so that I can show you how it goes on. Okay.
When we were so young, I could never see forever. We'd go midnight driving down that lane, pretending the whole world was lame.
So finally we are done with the installation. So as you can see, this is the front camera over here, and this is the side camera. And this is the rear camera. So let's get in and see how it actually works. So this is actually the front view. So this is the left view. And this is the right view. Once you're on the indicator, you can easily see. So once you're off the indicator, you can see the front view of it. And to see the rear view, you can just change the gear to reverse, so that on the display you can easily see it's a rear view. So let's go for a short ride and so that we can see how it actually works while riding. So this is the rear view and the front view.
Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Trust me, watch me, give you a good time. Touch me, love when you put your hands on me. Love when you put your hands on me. Give you a good time. Give you a good. Give you a good time.